Then comes your abstract, which is step number 16. Basically, abstract is step 16 is your abstract. So abstract basically gives the summary of your article. It tells the purpose of your study, the variables you have used, the methodology which have you used, the findings of your study, the limitations of your study, keywords, the important words of your study, the variables of the study. All are come in your abstract. So abstract shows all these things which I just mentioned. Next point comes in is that abstract is your first heading of your article. Okay, it comes at the start of your search paper, but it's written at the end. Then you have concluded your study, then you will start writing your abstract at the start. Okay, then comes your the word limit of abstract is maximum 200 to 250 words. Ideal abstract word limit. Don't increase that word limit or decrease. Okay, try to write maximum 250 words. There's no issue, or write between 200 or 250 words. Then comes things which come in abstract is purpose of your study, research problem, research objectives, methodology, and findings of your study. Plus the most important, the keywords, which are your variables of your study. So if you want to find such examples, a simple tip for you is that go to Google Scholar, type any title topic, you will find tons of search paper examples from there. So that's it for today.